Hi, I'm Lindy Hewson from PKN Packaging News, and I'm here on the PKN stand today. Today we're going to be talking about our exciting cover project that we did for Auspack. Anne-Marie, as the organizer of Auspack ETF, you had a specific need. Do you want to tell us about that so that we can say why we did this cover?
Yeah, Auspack did have a need. As the sector evolves, so too does our need to produce campaigns that maintain their relevance to the audience. So we had two needs. We wanted to showcase an industry trend, in this case digital printing, but also create engagement using AR, which is why we approached Yaffa Media and Lindy with the need to produce something that was interactive and engaging.
So because I'd worked before with Curry Group and HP on an interactive cover, I decided to go to Mark Dawes to ask him for an idea, and he came up with something really cool. Mark, tell us about it.
Yeah, we wanted, on the back of our first campaign with the Rhino project, we wanted to showcase something slightly different in terms of a digital short-run flexible packaging application, and we came up with this idea of being able to put on the cover technology that would showcase not only the Indigo Digital Wide Web 20,000 press, but also the new pack-ready lamination unit, which is a thermal laminator designed to do short-run lamination without the need of solvents and adhesives. And then finally, the brand new digital stand-up pouch maker from Carville, which has a lot more automation and a shorter platform, again designed around a digital workflow. And at that point, we then decided to showcase HP's new SmartStream collage software, which actually puts down elements where you can take graphic elements on a page, like a family of elements, and only rotate and scale and manipulate those to individualize every single copy of the magazine. And then, of course, we needed to work with partners of ours, and we've worked before with Dreamer, but Ross, our customer, was happy to get involved on the project as well.
So Ross, you were involved in printing the pouch for us, the stand-up pouch. This is a technology that you have perfected at your factory. Can you tell us a bit about the printing of it? Because these pouches were inserted in every magazine as well, and the AR activation is also active when people scan the pouch. Yeah. Can you tell us about that?
Well, we've used HP 20,000. An HP 20,000 press to produce the packaging. It is a wide format digital press and suited this production where it was made in one single pass. We've then laminated the pouch and then formed it. Given any project of this nature, time was of the essence. And we were able to turn this entire project around within a week and a half, 2 weeks.
Well, the beauty of digital print, that's fantastic. Thanks a lot, Ross. So the key element of the whole project was hinging on the augmented reality activation. So we then approached via Curry Group Dreamer. We worked with them before. Bill, would you like to tell us and show us the AR activation?
Yeah, so in the spirit of the innovation for the cover, we decided to augment it. We'd done some work before with Curry's on a Rhino project. So we really wanted to push the boundaries of the augmented reality. So in a nutshell, what we did was embed the technology into the front cover of the magazine here. And as you can see, it's a very complex process, which is very hard to communicate through a static image. So we decided to animate the process, and we came up with a process where you can actually see that cover come to life with the process being described and forklifts moving and printing presses printing. It's an incredible technology. And of course there's a button there to register for the show, which was an important part of the goal.
So Bill, if you can then tell us about how this is a measurable activity as well.
Sure. So of course innovation, whilst it's fantastic, in order for it to be sustainable requires some sort of proof. And the way we did that was we built an analytics dashboard which allows us to identify the success of the cover. So in this particular example, the cover received 439 downloads of the app, 1,091 views of the video, 25 clicks through to the website, 13 shares, and resulted in a 6% click-through rate, which was a fantastic result.
So, and when you compare that result to typical results, how does that compare?
So in a typical email marketing campaign, you sort of are lucky to get 2% as a general click-through. So we've already exceeded that, and I think it really cemented the goal of the exercise.
Fantastic. Anne-Marie, so overall, how would you rate this execution?
We were extremely happy with this execution, and as a result we've seen our visitor numbers dramatically increase. The goal of this campaign was engagement and was conversions in terms of visitor attendance, and we're delighted to say that we have received it. I think this campaign highlights something else which is quite important across the industry, and that's collaboration, because without this campaign it just wouldn't have been possible. So I'm really grateful to all involved for delivering and working alongside you to create this campaign.
Fantastic. A wonderful execution all round. Thanks, everyone.